Hello everyone, let's make the strawberry milkshake. For that we need some fresh strawberry and some sugar and milk. So first we will remove the leaves and we have to wash it thoroughly before making the strawberry milkshake. So let's remove the green leaves from here and we will wash it thoroughly. Then we have to cut in the small pieces. Then we have to put in the blender. Then after cutting and putting in the blender, we have to add some sugar. If you want, you can add brown sugar, or even if you don't want sugar, you can add honey. Honey will also give the sweet taste. Then after that, you can add some milk. Then blend it thoroughly to get a smooth texture. Then your strawberry milkshake is ready. So definitely you also try and let me know in the comment how was the taste. If you like, please subscribe to our channel, like this video and share it with your friends and family. Fruits is very important part in our nutrition, so every time if you like to eat fruit, that is the best. If you don't like to eat, then sometimes you can make milkshake or juice, but you should eat or drink fruits. But eating is more good because directly the sugar will not go inside your body, so always it is advisable to eat fresh fruit instead of juice or milkshake. But in some cases, like if you like, or sometimes you can make milkshake or juice, that's fine. So our yummy delicious strawberry milkshake is ready. So if you like this, please go ahead and subscribe to our channel, like this video and share it with your friends and family. And you can write your thoughts in the comment box. Your thoughts is very valuable for me. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye bye.